Nasi ako'y wakan manaba 10 political party mayam kento buse unaru buse ado ako'y memorandum haiba tare memorandum sisu copy memorandum magtinate bullet point haiba tare ado ako'y unajaru buse Manipur si thanipan hele mapan sangka dore daibak thiba thodo haiba tare masi Manipur praja singji ware waman he aduna ako'su center da su BJP ki government ni state da su BJP government ni law and order se life and property protect to state government ki subject ni mase state government ki darkar laiba additional force piu equipment piu vehicle piu whatever darkar laiba sing do party amatagi sarkar ni na center su state su mateng adum pangbirang gani do masi thuna Manipur da laiba praja sing na shanti ne ba Manipur da laiba praja sing karam matam na shanti lakani peace lakani haibase Manipur praja sing kaptara laulu tawrim wem punamak sing se akhoi so asa tawi sigumba yamna critical oiba issue tanja lakpa kanada sarkar gi taraf tagi all political party gi meeting kaudra akhoi atai political party like minded political party ma si leiba sida natana atai lehoriba party sing kai si yauna any suggestion or advice taunaraga akhoi Bharat Sarkar hujik laiba center ki sarkar se masi honorable prime minister unanaba appointment se akhoi hana chu dum taujeba chief minister office ta ki prime minister ki any issue lakpa kanada prime minister office ta PMO da appointment lorga subject na si matter sini law and order ni hai tar su amani ba any issue amani ba hai tar su akhoi lake hai na appointment lorga Honorable Chief Minister lead tawraga matam du so khoi adum tawjeba adum unaraga problem se adum solve tawi adu masi aseng bagi di sarkar pairiba political party or government na organize tawi gadam ne madu khoi khang bang maktadna khoi appointment ship tawraga khoi unajabane ba khoi ngasi unarse adu marui badi bullet point di khoi na harami se Pusit leiba stage ayaushani he masidi prime minister si honorable prime minister si CM gi office gi tawraga masigi Manipur da thoiba hojiki crisis haigadra issue haigadra tawriba ethnic class haigadra sigi matang sida all political party mayam sina utang unaba pami haidna appointment lobiu haidna koi mauna haidna Aijeram batare, hai batare. Honorable Chief Minister, hoi ma yenge, ado Prime Minister, koi me launa na ba tauge na ma hai ba. Ado masini marui badi ado bu, koi kari torok batai hai bado koi amu yeng batare. State government ki side ki marui na Honorable Chief Minister na Prime Minister ki appointment lau base. Maram di sujit lai ba stage mayam na siya na kangbire. Ay hanasu amuk ay haipeti ay pungdok chagraba kali national level ki all political party ki meeting ama tauba matamda Shri Amit Shah ji na Honorable Home Minister na share lauba meeting da aina haijabne masidi center na India government si super power ki manung laire hujikti military might military ki shakti se world ki mari shuwa position da laire haina akoi tajai adu karigumba Madu lairasu laitrasu Government of India na determination commitment aman lairagadi masi no Manipur da tawnai si yaroi aduna within 3 days or within 1 week ki manungda aina yadaba pair by illegal arms tawriba mayam singse shuda leiba oro laitaba oro masi mayam singsi kulai pair ba mayam singse disarm tawgadabani haidna government aduna tragadi akoi action logani hain tawganda da masi suchoi soina santi porkani Nomai kapna lepna raba, hatna ba lepna raba, violence level lepna ragadi. Democracy set palai bakadi, warish another day without talk. Across the table, warish another day solution for more. On top of that, democracy set palai bakadi, warish another day. Problem later there must be one solution. Haibasi akoy kurimuna thajana leibani. Warish anana ba conducive atmosphere sidi violence hana sunaba nomai kapna basi hana lepana na basi di center na intervene to bi banatra di masidi yaroi haila koi kayam kuina hangde government of India ki aron by any hidden agenda leibadi khangre Manipur gumba bu pikraba state se moi community legend se amna amabu haning mahana jasunu amana panja hosuno haiba du gumba man lergadi khangre atragadi akoi Manipur ju Bharat ki part amani Manipur da leiriba praja sing su Bharat ki nagarik ni akoi si kari oina ubibano haibado modu akoi government sina haiba hangoi ba nungai taba leidna haiba nungai taba leira magasu akoi kano torga akoi haijage akoi side ge haijage thuna prime minister ki appointment lobi u haina akoi adugi ni akoi unaje bisi
Kasi political party ka government ko wai sanai se government na invite to ko oi bra natraga government invite to ga di karam base da wai sanai
adu di ngasai akoi ne akoi haijage na hu da haijage ne mayake di government na masi invite to ga domne ba 10 political party den tana all political parties ko ga domne ba adu Kaudana akoi si ikai khangdana sanghan ba haiba tare karigino haiba bo Manipur gi hujit laiba situation se masida kaptra launa hana sunu tawi mayam se masida di akoi protocol or natraga moina korpa ngaiba yadre haidana akoi 10 political parties na appointment lawga sangbane
Haojik laiba system sida Manipur ha chanaiba mong sida laiba da ji openly khulai paira ka public no paira ka Haojik openly chakhalakwa masi law and order gi situation में बस क्वाइदगी शो अब थत्तवा फेल होय बस सरकार ने ना परमानेंट लोने अदुम कर
कोई दी हुंतोखरगा इंडिया की टॉप कोर्ट ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया ना हाई की दुदी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर से टोटली फेल हो रहे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मशीनरी से कंप्लीटली ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है स्टे है ना करी है नहीं गई
सर वही डिमांड है अब तो अंदर का नहीं है सर क्या
कोई दी हजे जाई अदु मोइना अखोई voice है अखोई नत्ती है बा मणिपुर ले लेगा प्रजा की voice ने लगी हो अगर मणिपुर की प्रजा की voice तादर गति करी है नहीं अखोई याम चाउना थाजई वारी सानदन दी एनी सॉल्यूशन और शांति पसी मुरी वारी सानना बा कंडीसिव एटमॉस्फेयर सिनबियो इंटरवीन को बियो है बिसे Government of India na honorable prime minister intervene to review na hai se do koi thaje jai am saung na thaje jai wari sanadana gadi koi solution pro shanti pro si mutam changgane that is our main demand request to the honorable chief minister from your office you please seek appointment of the honorable prime minister of India the situation has gone out of hand so what is happening in Manipur, you people know better than to us because you are ruling the state. So, main bullet point is, please seek appointment of the Honorable Prime Minister. We are trying 10 political party, like-minded 10 political party. You people know how many days we are waiting in Delhi. More than 2 weeks we are waiting there to seek appointment for meeting Honorable Prime Minister. They are not giving any appointment. So now we have directly seek appointment of the Honorable Chief Minister and meet him. We request him, please seek appointment of the Honorable Prime Minister. All those things, it is too long. It has gone out of hand. So you please seek appointment through from your office so that we can explain. We can request to the Honorable Prime Minister, please immediately intervene.
He said he will try. He will seek appointment of the Prime Minister. We believe we will get the appointment of the Prime Minister.